Each user can create shortcuts to any Attaché menu. To add a new shortcut, you need to have the task screen open. For example, let's add a shortcut for a customer invoice lookup. We'll choose Customers, Transactions, Invoice Lookup. Then select Shortcuts, Add Shortcut. We get a message that the shortcut has been added successfully. It is now in the list of shortcuts. Here we've created a folder for end-of-period procedures, and we've grouped the shortcuts for customers, products, suppliers. Each shortcut takes you directly to the corresponding Attaché menu. Grouping shortcuts this way can help you save time going through the Attaché menus. Also, it can help you remember all the steps in a process. Finally, it helps with training users. To manage shortcuts, choose Shortcuts, Organize Shortcuts. Here you can rename the shortcuts, change the order in which they appear, group them into folders, and so on. For example, we can rename our shortcuts to provide a more clear description. To do this, double-click on the shortcut and change the name in the Properties panel. If I want to delete a shortcut, I click on the Organize menu and click Delete. Once you have created shortcuts for one user in one company, you can copy them to any other company and any other user or user profile. To do this, choose Tools, Company, System, Copy User options.